What's up, YouTube? I wanted to make a video about Pirate Chain. Actually, a few weeks ago when it was around 2, but I didn't, so I am making one now. I was buying this thing here around 2, it hit 16, held support at 6, and now it's claiming back up. I didn't sell any, but I was actually buying more here at this channel from 6 to 8. It looks good, looks like it's forming cup and handle, and it wants to break the all-time highs and just continue higher. I wouldn't suggest to day trade because it is volatile and it is risky. Maybe better idea would be just buy and hold if you like the project. I do love Pirate Chain project, and it is my favorite privacy coin at the moment with Monero as well. But it has such a potential to go upside. So we will see in the next few days if it will break and continue higher. I actually see some people complaining about wallets and exchanges. I am using this trade auger at the moment to buy Pirate Chain, but I think it's just a matter of time when big exchange will list one Pirate Chain. And if you want me actually to make some tutorial on how to buy Pirate Chain and trade the Augur, just let me know in the comments and I will make one video for you. As well for the wallets, if you want me to make a tutorial, I can make one as well. And how to transfer the Pirate Chain from Trade Augur to the wallet. I'm using this light wallet, it's easy to use and I have no issues with it. But I saw, I think it was on Twitter, on Pirate Chain Twitter, that they will have some agreement with this Apollo, and they will list them on their hardware wallet, so that might be a bonus as well. So yeah, so guys, let me know if you like Pirate Chain.